Dear students, in this video we see how to calculate the adjoint of a matrix sum. While calculating the adjoint of matrix, we can even find the cofactor of each element in a given matrix. Here the matrix A is given, which is 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 columns. Now we find cofactor of each element in a given matrix. Now cofactor of 1, that is first row first element, is denoted as A11, is obtained by taking the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix, that is leaving this column and this row, we get 2 minus 3 minus 1 3, whose determinant is 2 into 3 6, 6 minus product of these two elements is 3, that is minus 1 into minus 3 is 3, so which is going to be 3. Now we find cofactor of the element 1, which is A, first row second column element, which is minus of the determinant of leaving this column and this row, we get 1 minus 3 2 3, that is minus of 3 into 1 3 minus product of these two is minus 6, and already we have minus here, so plus 6, so which is going to be minus 9, which is minus 9. Here why it is negative means, you can remember that minus 1 and 2 whose sum is 3, whenever the sum is odd, you can remember that you have to multiply minus with the determinant, so that you get the cofactor of the corresponding element. Similarly, cofactor of 1, that is the element in the first row third column, which is denoted by A13, is nothing but determinant of leaving this column and this row. We have 1 2 2 minus 1, that is product of these two is minus 1 minus product of these two elements, which is 2 into 2 is 4, so totally we have minus 5. Similarly, cofactor of 1, which is second row first column element, is denoted by 2 1, A21, with again the sum is odd, so you have to multiply minus with the determinant, that is leaving this row and this column, we have 1 1 minus 1 3, 1 1 minus 1 3, so minus is there, right within bracket, 1 into 3 is 3 minus product of these two elements is minus 1, and already we have minus, so plus 1, so which is going to be minus 4. Now we find cofactor of 2 is denoted by A22, that is second row second column element. When you add these two, which is 4, so you need not multiply minus with this, so determinant of 1 1 2 3, that is leaving this column second column and leaving second row, the remaining elements 1 1 2 3, whose determinant is 3 into 1 3 minus 2 into 1 2, which is 1. Similarly, cofactor of minus 3, that is second row third column element, which is minus 3, is denoted by A23, whose sum is 3, so minus of leaving this row and this column, we have 1 1 2 minus 1, leaving this row and this column 1 1 2 minus 1, which is minus of Product of these two is minus 1 minus product of these two element is 2. So minus 3 with minus sign, which is going to be plus 3. Similarly, we find the cofactor of 2, that is third row first column element A32, which is third row first column element, which is A31. So leaving this column and this row, we have 1, 1, 2, minus 3, whose determinant value is minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus product of these two is 2. So which is going to be minus 5. Now cofactor of minus 1. Minus 1 is in third row and second column. So third row, second column, when you add these two, you are getting 5, which is odd number. So multiply. That is cofactor of minus 1 is negative of minus of determinant of 1, 1, that is leaving this column, and this row you have 1, 1, 1 minus 3. 1, 1, 1 minus 3. Minus and outside. Product of these two minus 3 minus product of these two is 1. When you add, you get minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 1, which is 4. Now we find cofactor of 3, which is third row third column element A33, which is determinant of leaving this row and this column 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. If you take determinant, 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. Now we can write the cofactor matrix of A. You can write the cofactor matrix, that is A11, cofactor of A11, which is 3, and A12, which is 9, which is next minus 5, then minus 4, then 1, and then 3, then minus 5, 4, 1. Then we are going to find out the adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix is nothing but transpose of a cofactor matrix. That is, adjoint of A is nothing but transpose of a cofactor matrix. We can denote the cofactor matrix as AC, whose transpose is AC transpose. And we can even denote this as Aij, the transpose. We already calculated Aij matrix. Here 3, minus 9, minus 5, then minus 4, 1, 3, minus 5, 4, 3, whose transpose we have to write it as, this row should be taken as column. 3, minus 9, minus 5. Then minus 4, 1, 3. Minus 4, 1, 3. Then minus 5, 4, 1. Minus 5, 4, 1. It is minus 5, 4, 1, which is your adjoint of a given matrix. Thank you.